Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Hacker. Today we will learn about the coding of HTML. Today we will write the code of HTML. The HTML code is written in Notepad. I had been written already HTML code. That's why I had done the copy paste. In the HTML code, we have to write first HTML, then head, then title, head, H1, this is heading. We can write as much as big as heading. H1, H2, there are total H6. Then P for paragraph and the P for the next another paragraph. We will end the HTML code by the hash body and HTML. Now we will save the HTML code as save as one.html. We have to always save the HTML code, a code file by the .html. Now open the file. See, that's how we run the HTML. Thank you.